Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we have been invited in this beautiful gated estate of 4 units, and one thing that I have liked about it is that everything that this developer has done is something that has not been done in this locality. We have liked the act of communitism, if that is a word, but it is giving you a vibe of where you and your mates, or you and your friends, or you and other members of the society can live, interact, play, and enjoy life together. Each unit has been constructed on a 40 by 60 lot, and you are getting this driveway that is acting as one of the common areas that you share with your estate mates. As you can see from there, the estate has been done very well. It comes surrounded with a perimeter fence. On top of it, you have a razor wire and an electric fence. If that is not enough, you have your electric siren to make sure that you are secure just in case any of the invaders decides to disturb your privacy. Each of the homes in this estate comes with a 2-car parking, but one is for your car and the other one is for your scooter. The space is not big enough to fit 2 cars. But on top of that, the developer has done something very good, separating your home from your neighbor's home by this mesh wire. You can do some greenery here or a live fence to make sure that your privacy is maintained. On my far front, you have your green spaces. As you can see right now, it is very green, and the space can be used as your resting space, or you can use it as a kids play area. Before I take you to the show house, I'll take you outside the gate and you'll see the environment that comes with this gated estate. From here, this is the type of greenery that will welcome you to your estate. And as you can see from there, the estate has been done very well, and the gate to get to the estate is here. It is welcoming, and when your friends comes to visit you at this place, watafurahia sana. On my far front, you have other estates that are being done by other developers, and this specific one is a sister to this. So if you miss a unit in this complete estate, you can always take a unit in the new estate that we are building. I'll take all of you inside. The first unit is the show house, and I'm welcoming all of you to see what the developer has done. From the entrance, you are getting a double door as usual. I like it that it is full glass door to maximize the amount of light that you get in this unit. From the entrance, you are welcomed by the living room of this unit. I like it because it is sizable to fit a 6-seater couch, as you can see. On my far front, you have your TV area. And something that is very important to this living room is the size of the ceilings that you are getting. First, I like the floor-to-ceiling curtains, the floor-to-ceiling windows, just to make sure that you are maximizing the amount of light that you are getting. From there, you can see that the living room comes with 3 massive windows, and in combination, they are feeding this living room with a ton of natural light. This side has been reserved for your TV and other electronics. I like it that the developer added this wall clock because it is magnifying the beauty that you get at this focal point. On my far front, you have the dining area of this unit. Next to it, you have the kitchen of this unit. And here you are at the center of the home, where the living spaces have been separated from the bedroom spaces. The dining space is sufficient to fit a 6-seater like this one. You cannot extend it to fit an 8-seater unless you like to live in really squeezed spaces. The dining area is opening to the kitchen. I like the size of the kitchen. It has been done very well. And if you are among the people who enjoy contemporary living, the openness of this kitchen to the other spaces is something that you'll never regret to have. Here you have a space that has been reserved for your 6-burner cooktop. Above it, you have a space that you can add a heat extractor. I like the amount of cabinetry that you get in this kitchen. My only problem is that they are very high, so if you are not a tall person, this will always be an assignment for you to remove or put utensils in this cabinetry. One thing to note is that you are getting a massive window from that edge to this other edge to make sure that you are getting maximum natural light when you are doing your kitchen chores. The sink area comes with a double sink. This door is taking you to the employee quarters, the roof deck, and the laundry area. But before we see all those, you have your pantry here. It is not the biggest, though I think it is sufficient for this kind of a house. Your refrigerator will be kept here, and you have a small set of shelves that can be used for any other activities of the kitchen. Here at the space where you'll do your refrigerator, you have a plaque or a sticker that is written, "The kitchen is the heart of the home." Is it though? Let me show you the laundry area. This is the laundry area, and this is where you'll do your washer and dryer. On my far right, you have your first water tank, and it is a 3,000 liter water tank. You have another one on the roof deck where you have the clotheslines area. On my far front, you have the employee quarters. It is not the biggest, though it comes with a closet here. Its bathroom is here, and behind me you have a space where your employee will be spending their personal time. From here, I'm taking you to the roof deck. You'll see the space where you have your attic and other extra spaces that can be used for your recreational activities. This is the roof deck. You have your attic on my far front. This space has been reserved for your clotheslines area, and the space, as you can see, it is enough for any other activities that you would want to do. If you can remember, I said we have an extra tank on the roof deck. It is a 2,000 liter water tank, and this will make sure that your supply of water is not limited. I'll take you back to the unit. Back to the center of the unit, this is the common washroom to this unit. On my far front, you have the 2 kids' bedroom, and on my far left, you have the primary bedroom. At the entrance of the common washroom, you have a small wash basin, and I like it that it has been pulled away from the other living spaces, though it can be used when you are doing some chores in the unit. The common washroom comes with a WC, a bidet sprayer, a massive window for maximum natural light, and from here, I'm showing you the first and the second bedroom. Before we get to those spaces, you have a space here or a cabinetry here that can be used to keep some of your shoes. The first and the second bedroom gets this social space that can be used by any person who is using the 2 bedrooms to enjoy other amenities. On this side, you have a wash basin. It comes with a mirror and a shaving light. The 2 bedrooms share a washroom and a bathroom, and the spaces are enough for the 2 bedrooms in this section. This is the first bedroom. It is the tiniest. It comes with a space that is sufficient to fit a 3x6 bed like this one. I like the size of the window, and when you remember that this is the smallest bedroom, the amount of light that you are getting is more than enough. The closet is the smallest. It comes with spaces for the hangable clothes, spaces down there for the shoes. You have 2 drawers, and you have spaces for the foldable clothes. I'll show you the second bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one. I like it that the space is big enough to fit a 4x6 bed like this one. The size of the window does not change. It is massive. And on my far front, you have a slightly bigger closet. From there, you can see that the closet is adopting a similar concept to the one that we saw. The only difference between this and the first bedroom is only the size. I'll show you the primary bedroom. One thing that we have noticed is that the children's wing has been separated from the parents' wing by the common washroom, and that increases the privacy that some parents require sometimes. From there you can see that the primary bedroom is the biggest. I like it that it comes with the biggest window in this unit, and as you can see from there, it is sufficient to fit this queen size bed, and if you need a bigger bed, the space is still available. If you like having a couch in the bedroom, you can still add a two-seater here, and that will add the comfort of this bedroom. From there you can see that the bedroom comes with a small window on this side, just to make sure that during the day you cannot miss any amount of light. The artificial lighting of this bedroom has been done very well, and when you combine the amount of light that you are getting from the side light, the center light, and all these recess lights, this bedroom will be very lit. The primary bedroom comes with a mini walk-in closet. I think it is a letdown because it is not the biggest space that you can get. It comes with spaces that are enough for your hangable clothes, and on this side you have 3 drawers, and on top of them you have this space that should act as your dresser. Next to the walk-in closet, you have your primary bathroom. At the entrance, you have a wash basin, and on my far front, you have your WC and your showering area. This bathroom comes with all the fixtures that you require, but you have an addition of a bidet sprayer and a rain shower. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. As we said earlier, the price of each of the units in this estate is 9.5 million. This is the cheapest you can get right now in Mugutha. Other units, especially the one that we did 2 weeks ago, is going for 10 million, and others are going for 11.5 million. The new units that we showed you at the beginning of the video are also going for 11.5 million. So this is the only chance that you have to get a unit that is less than 10 million. Anyway, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.